Hey girls, it's Yo-Yo. Well, let me just tell you right now. Stop. Drop that purse. What I told you now, don't bring no credit card up here, no cash, because we don't need it today. We're going up into an undisclosed location to look at some new planners for 2022. Now, I'm just trying to figure out if I want to disclose this location. Let me think about it. But let's just go on through him. Let me show you a couple of things. First of all, I want you to notice 2022 planner. Did you see that happy planner note right there? It was in this store for $3.99. $3.99, girls. But let me just turn you on to some beauties. These 2022 planners are nice. Paper quality, double spiral. I'm going to bring you so much variety here. And you want to stay to the end because I'm telling you, it gets better. Now, if you're still looking for that 2022 planner, Ms. Yo-Yo's going to tell you, first of all, I got you options here. Then on top of that, check out the playlist. I've got Hobby Lobby, Agenda 52, and Happy Planner over there. Go to Target. Target has everybody. Blue Sky. They've got Erin Condren. They got Happy Planner over there as well. I'm going to take you around and show you these planners, but check out the playlist. Have you figured out where Miss Yo-Yo's at? Go ahead now. If you figured it out, leave a comment below. But let me just talk about this planner right here. It's $12.99. 2022 planner, 12 months. Is that not a beauty? Okay? Not a beauty. They've got so much variety up in this store. I'm going to give it to you. I'm not going to give it to you right now, but I'm going to give it to you, okay? That's how Miss Yo-Yo does it. She going to make it work for a little bit, okay? Now, these planners, tell me you're not impressed. Okay? Tell me you're not impressed. These are nice. Very, very nice and affordable. Look at that. $7.99. $7.99. I think the most expensive one I saw was $12.99. I'm not even going to kid you. Look at this nice hardbound monthly planner here. Comes with a ruler. It comes with stickers. At the beginning of each month, you've got important dates. You got appointments to put at the beginning of each month. This planner right here, it ain't playing, okay? It is not playing. And the price on it, this is an affordable bargain price planner. Cheap, just downright cheap. I'm not even gonna kid you, okay? Now, if you're a planner girl that knows a planner girl that's looking for a planner, please share this video with them. And if you don't want to share this video with them, tell them to go check out Miss Yo-Yo's playlist because she's got plenty in there for you to choose from. Now look who done snuck up in the back door at a discounted price. Happy Planner, Wellness Planner, Undated Planner. So you can start at any time. $12.99. I'm telling you, Miss Yo-Yo's telling you where the affordable, discounted bargain planners are at. I got caught up watching the video that I forgot to talk. I'm like looking at the border on this layout going, you know, but it's a nice horizontal layout. You know how sometimes you get caught up in the looking at something. I like this horizontal layout. This is nice right here. So this is another planner from Burlington. Yes, Burlington Coat Factory has awesome planners. And Burlington seems to be opening up everywhere. So check your area. See if there's a Burlington near you. The price is affordable. Miss Yo-Yo's just bringing it to you because you know what? It's what I do. I bring the people the finds. I take them up in the store and we go shopping with Miss Yo-Yo. So are you that planner girl that can't find a planner? Because I am, okay? I'm not even going to kid you. I wanted a dashboard. I can't find one I like. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm seriously considering one of these planners for $8, for $12. Yes, I would consider one of these planners right here. I'm not even kidding you. These are nice. I love this little floral black and white kind of gray print here. That is nice right there. Look at that. $5.99, girls. Starting in January of 2022, hardbound. Now here's another one. Ooh, girls, this is like the first one. I fell in love with this. I am loving these. Look at that cover. Look at these. Oh, this is beautiful right here. And it's all colorful on the inside. I always wanted a neutral one, but after I saw this bad boy, I was like, I may have to give her some consideration. But tell me if that is not beautiful. That cover is just stunning right there. Look at that. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Now, I had shown you the inside of this particular hardbound planner, so I'm just showing you. They've got these in a variety of different colors. I like that navy blue because navy blue is my favorite color. But this right here, that's pretty too. Okay, they got anything you want here. If you're looking for a planner, if you're on the fence, if you just need a planner for work and affordable, yes. Okay. The price on these is right. The price is right. If you said, I don't want to spend a whole lot of money, Michelle, I just want a cheap little planner. You don't get no cheaper than this. And the quality is good. Now this black and white, this right here. Make a girl clench the pearls, okay? Look how pretty that is. That purple in there, that green in there. Oh, yellow, stop it. This is a nice big planner right here. That's just classy right there. $8.99. Have y'all noticed that there's a shortage of planners, sticker books in the retail stores? Now, I'll be honest with you, my Joann's, they kind of stay on top of it. But I noticed I went to Michael's today, and Michael's didn't have any new sticker books. Ain't had new sticker books in a long time. Now they had some planners, but guess what? The little sale, it wasn't that much. I need for a minimum of 40%. What's your minimum? Tell me what your minimum is for sale, because my minimum is it got to be at least 40% for me. But I just can't. I can't do no 20% off. I just can't. Now here's another option for you. A vertical A5. This planner, I've seen this planner at Office Depot. Not at this price, but let me just tell you, this right here is a beauty. Undated, so you can start it any time. You can start it in March and put January and February at the back of the year. This right here, $14.99. Just an option. I don't know who does the buying for the store, but I need to contact them because they're doing a great job finding affordable planners here. This, I will just point out one thing to you about this planner. It seems that each month you have a budget for each month. That's a plus. All in one planner and a budget section in the planner. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And the price point on these is for everybody. Look at that, $6.99. Tell me, are butterflies the thing, is the new trend right now? Because there's butterflies on everything. I did buy the daily sheets from Happy Planner, and their theme is butterfly. And as my friend Carolyn would say, have a butterfly day. I love that. Whenever you talk to her, she goes, have a butterfly day. So I just had to share that with you, okay? So I love this one. This is another hardbound 2022 planner. This right here, this is another one. I just like all these little sayings on the front here with a little pocket in the front. Okay, we got the important information up front. Another one of these colorful layouts, just a different cover. They're giving you options here. Burlington has came to the game, and they say we want in. You know, I told y'all last time I was gonna hold the dough. I think I'm still holding the dough for them. $8.99. Now, if any of you have any suggestions for videos, feel free to leave in the comment. I do have some video for some storage items from the Container Store. So if you're interested in that, I'd be glad to put that up for you. So leave a comment. And let me just tell you right now, I don't know why you ain't follow me on Instagram. I post out there almost every day some kind of find. Why you ain't follow me on Instagram? All it is Yoyofinds. Come see what Miss Yoyofinds daily, okay? Has anyone found a planner, looked at planners, thought about planners at Burlington before now? Tell me. Now, I've had a couple of people leave a comment and say, hey, Miss Yo-Yo, I found a planner at Marshall's. Oh, you know what? Somebody did tell me they found a planner at Burlington because I had included in a previous video a little snippet of some. But I've had people tell me they found them at Marshall's. They found them at Home Goods. So, you know, Miss Yo-Yo, she's all about the town, bringing y'all the latest in the retail line of planners. Now this is a nice planner right there. That is just a beauty right there. Hardbound, oh, that's just rich looking. Now there was some Teachers Weekly pads here that I saw. Look at that, $2.99. So much affordable items, so many affordable items in the stationery area at Burlington. You're gonna be in there buying a coat, you're gonna be in there buying a Christmas gift. You need to tip on over to the stationery area and check out their planners. Check out all their stationery accessories, their journals, their notebooks. Burlington has got it packed up in there. And I've got 2 Burlingtons that opened up in my area. One by my chiropractor and one here by the house. And let me just tell you, both of them, they are stocked. They are stocked with good taste. And Miss Yo-Yo's just trying to bring you the goodies so you don't miss nothing. You know Miss Yo-Yo, she like to spread the word. If I see it, you gonna see it. Now, if you enjoy videos like this, in-store videos, please share me with any of your planner friends, planner groups. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, to please hit that subscribe button, turn on the all notification. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Miss Yo-Yo shopping experience. Now, remember, it don't cost you nothing to get on board the Miss Yo-Yo ride, okay? But I will tell you this. When exiting the video, please look around for all your personal belongings because we don't have that kind of insurance up in here. And if you want to see more videos like this and other stores, please check out the playlist. I got plenty more for you to see. And a girl, I'll see y'all when? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.